Here's the thing. I got a truck note, a camper note, and a girlfriend, and they're all a month late. Let's get to work.
I got crazy thoughts that stay on my mind. I promise I'm fine. I'm doing alright.
What's up, guys? In today's video, we managed to replace all the floor pans in this 65 Mustang. So we did it in about 24 hours. So we just kept working non-stop. So I apologize if the video is a little kind of sporadic, but it should be really entertaining. I hope you guys like it. Without further ado, roll the video. I'm gonna start by cutting out this whole square here, and then we're gonna move up to here. I've already vacuumed in here. It's definitely gonna be along this line here, up along this body line there, and then we have a little bit of rust there, but I think that feels pretty solid, so we should be good up there. Put you guys on time lapse. I'll be right back. We have this pan cut out, and this pan is cut out. We were able to get most of the sheet metal off of the support and this support, so we're going to come in, lay some more metal in here. It's probably going to be one sheet on this side, and then we're going to have another sheet on this side folded up here. As you can see, everything is looking pretty good. I mean, for what it is. I literally drove this car in here, an entire car. Let's just say instead of a boring, not boring, but a classic 65, we're going to change it up just a little bit.
I got a truck note, a camper note, and a girlfriend, and they're all a month late. Let's get to work.
Day 2, we're back at it again. Last night the camera did die, but we managed to get the new metal cut, and I have Charlie here yet again to help us weld something.
Yes, sir.
We are going to be doing the floor pans. As you can see, we have some metal here cut out. Now, if you guys are at home, I know this is not the professional way, but
Hey, it works, so
we're not professionals.
don't try this at home.
And if we have to replace floor pans in 6 years, we'll put real floor pans in. But right now, we're just putting metal in.
Hey, always remember, kids, lay pipe by the mile during the day, and by the inch at night.
More like 2 inches. Anyway, we're gonna get started. Charlie's gonna clean up all these surfaces, and I'm gonna work on cutting out that pan, all the metal for that one over there, because that should be a little tricky. It'll be a little 2-piece action, but let's get to work. Guys, Charlie has done great. We have one pan almost tacked into place. It's really good, really solid. Still got to do that side, and I'm working on cutting this metal to fit into this. It's all gonna come together. Yeah.
Dude, literally, it's coming along. That's my weld.
Woo! All right, that's assurance you just can't buy. So guys, we just took a little cookout run break, and it was kind of wild. Charlie asked for a little bit of ketchup, and this is what we got. So we got enough ketchup to last us probably 6 years, 6.5 tops.
Maybe you. I got enough ketchup to last me like 3 more cookout trays.
Anyway, we're gonna get back to the floor pans because we are actually getting really close. I accidentally left the camera on for about an hour.
A long lot ahead of you.
Yeah, I got a whole lot of editing to do. We have 2 pans are in place. All the metal is cut to fit into here because I am just a amazing fabricator. Okay guys, so Charlie is still working on the floor pans up there. It is about 2:30 in the morning right now. Yeah, it's about 2:30 in the morning and we are freaking beat. But we're gonna keep on. A little tired. Anyway, I just wire brushed all this Got it really exposed, really cleaned up, and I took the vacuum cleaner in. You got it?
I'm good now.
You sure you're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray the first layer of this reformer down here. Got my nice little mask on. Cause everyone at the store has bought all the masks. Stupid COVID. So now I have to use t-shirts as masks, as respirators. Anyway, it is what it is. Let's get painting and hopefully it turns out okay. So, 3 a.m. baby.
Dude, you know, we can go get breakfast soon.
We just ate dinner.
Dude, breakfast is, no,
That's not gonna taste it.
think about some like waffles.
Like some waffles. I mean, I don't know. 3 hours into eating breakfast, that does sound kind of tasty. But at the same time, it doesn't.
I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew.
On another note, we have 2 coats of paint in the trunk. It actually doesn't look half bad. We'll probably put another coat or 2 and let it dry real good. But I mean, it's a trunk.
Well, good morning.
What time is it, Troy?
5.
The rooster is telling us to wake up because it is 5 a.m. Shut up! We have the driver pan has been welded in. Now, it's not factory. It's better than factory. Right, Charlie?
It's aftermarket.
Gosh. Anyway, all the pans in this thing are done. We are going to put one little patch in that little corner over there, but we won't do that on the camera. We'll just do it another time. And the trunk is officially painted. It's not beautiful, but it's a lot better than what it is. And if I want to store stuff back here, it'll be a little bit nicer. I might put like a mat back here. Anyway, we're going to continue to tear this interior out. We're probably going to end up finish taking the dash out, get it all taped up. Probably take that door off, take the panels off. Worry about trim stuff. Really just getting this car completely apart. So that'll be next. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Charlie, any last words?
Do it for Dale.
Love you guys so much. See you next time.